fucking garbage cans I didn't get, probably. What a mess. Jesus. The car's going around Bellwood. It's fucking insane. What a mess. Completely up over the sidewalk. Can't even see the sidewalks. Into the yard. God. It's still coming. God. One of the worst freaking storms. Oh, you can believe what's been going on out here. Big old railroad tie.